Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a classic Korean snack, Korean kimchi pancake. If you like, let's make it together. Prepare the peeled shrimp and pat dry with kitchen paper. Chop the shrimp into small pieces. Cut the green pepper into small pieces. Add appropriate amount of pepper and mix the shrimp and green pepper together. Next, chop the white onion into small pieces. Cut the kimchi into pieces and put them in a bowl. The green onions do not need to be cut so small. Put them aside. Add chopped side dishes, an egg, appropriate amount of milk, flour, and water, and mix well. Add green onions and mix together. Heat oil in a pan, pour in the kimchi paste and fry until both sides are golden brown. Put it on a plate and cut it into easy-to-eat sizes. The Korean kimchi pancake is ready.